Hello, I'm Annabelle, and with me,
I'm James Nathan D. Balagtew. I'm a grade 1 student.
and you are holding
7.
7. Yes, Nathan is he is 7 years old, and he is a grade 1 student. And today, Nathan will read a story that I wrote. Okay, the title of the story, The Bread. And this story about my childhood experience. Okay, shall we start now? Yeah? Okay, now Nathan will read my story.
The bread. One day, I went home from school and passed by the municipality. At the corner, there is a small jail. Hello. Someone is calling me, and when I looked up, I saw a face and a hand holding a 10-peso bill and a small window with iron railing. The man said, "Little girl, can you please buy bread for us? Because we are hungry." I said, "Yes, of course," and climbed a small mango tree to take the money from the small window. I ran fast to the big shop to buy bread, and then ran fast again to the jail. Then I climbed the small mango. There to give tree to give the man the plastic bag with bread. But I was surprised when I heard a whistle and the policeman shouting at me, saying, "What are you doing?" Because I was so afraid, I accidentally dropped the plastic bag with bread, jumped down from the mango tree, and ran very fast. I heard the policeman shouting, "Stop, little girl," but because I was so afraid, I ran very fast back home. The end. Thank you.
Yay! See? He's just 7 years old, and he is a grade 1 student. But he can read very well, right? Yay! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Palangga. Baby, shake hands ka ni Ate Annabelle because you are a very good student. Yan. You are very smart. See? He's very, very good in reading, right? And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.